Hello students, in the last video we learned about determinant method and now we use determinant method, that means Cramér method used in solve linear equation in two variables. For example, I write here one linear equation in the general form ax plus by is equal to c and x and y are variables. Same example is here ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, x and y are variables and a, b are coefficient. A is coefficient of x, b is coefficient of y. Here is also a is coefficient of x and b is coefficient of y. Now what will we do? Write first equation and after that write second equation. Okay, so write here ax plus by is equal to c and another equation ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, so first of all here give number 1 ax. A is the coefficient of x, so write here a1. Here is also b1, here is also c1, and here a2, b2 and c2. Now how to find out d? D means determinant. How to find out d? Okay, for d we can take here the shortcut number is 12. D means 12. 12 means I give your name. Here is 1, here is 2 and here is 3. 3 means C1, C2, 2 means B1, B2 and 1 means A1, A2. So how to find out D? We can use here number 12. Okay, so 12 number means A1, A2, B1, B2. So write here A1, A2 and B1, B2. Okay, now after that we can use here A1 into B2 minus B1 into A2 and find out determinant number. Okay, now second A, D, after that dx. How to find out dx? So I will give here number 12 and here is 32 is the shortcut number. 32 means first of all write 3 and after that 2. C means 3 means C1, C2, B1, B2. B1, B2. Okay, after that dx, dy. Find out dy. 12, 32 and 30. 30 number. Okay, 30 number लक्षात ठेवायचा. 12, 32, 13. 12, 32, 13. Okay, dy. dy ला काय नंबर 13. 13. चलो 13 means 1 and 3. So A1, A2. A1, A2. 13. C1, C2. C1, C2. Okay, after that value of x. How to find out x? The formula is, look at here, x is equal to dx म्हणजे याची जी व्हॅल्यू येणार dx ची काय व्हॅल्यू येणार dx अपॉन d. d ची व्हॅल्यू येणार आणि dx ची व्हॅल्यू आणि dy ची. तर x कसा फाइंड आउट करायचा? dx ची व्हॅल्यू अपॉन d ची व्हॅल्यू and y dy upon d. dy upon d. इंडिट मेथड नीट लक्षात ठेवा, सोपे आहे. हा हे कोएफिशिएंट आहेत x चे. these are the coefficient of y and these are the c1, c2. How to find out d? a1 upon a1 into b1, b2. After that use a1 into b2, b1 into minus b1 into a2. Okay, dx means 32. 3 means c1, c2. So write here c1, c2 and 2 means b1, b2. So write here b1, b2. Okay, and that are the formula. X is equal to dx upon d. Okay, we solve some example by using Cramér method. Now look at it. Now on the board there are two linear equations. Okay, first one is 3x minus 2y is equal to 3 and 2x plus y is equal to 16. First step is write first equation 3x minus 2y is equal to 3 and 2x plus y is equal to 16 like that. Okay, and give the name. Give name in your mind. These are the A means 1, B means 2, and here C means 3. Okay, now find out D. D means इथे मी लिहून ठेवतो बघा. D means bar, dx 32 and dy 12, 32, 13. Okay, these are the code words. Okay, now 12 means 1 and 2. So 3 2 here 3 2 and here 2 means minus 2 and 1. Minus 2 and okay. Now using formula, what is the formula? 3 into 1 is equal to 3 into 1. After that minus is compulsory sign. Minus 2 into 2. Minus 2 into 2. Okay. Here is 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay. After that minus 2 into 2. Minus 4. What is the answer? Minus 4. Minus minus plus. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So value of D is equal to 7. Okay. Look at here once again. 3 into 1 minus 2 into 2. Okay. D is a code word and 12. So take A and D. Okay. A and D. After that find dx. How to find out dx? The code word is 32. 32 means first of all take 3 means C and after that D. C 3 and 16 and 12. 32 3 2 and so minus 2 and here is 1. Okay, is equal to chalo 3 into 1 minus compulsory sign minus, after that minus 2 into 16. 3 ones are 3. 3 okay. 3 ones are 3. After that minus 16 twos are 16 twos are how many? 32 minus 32. Minus minus plus. So 3 plus 32 is equal to 35. So dx, the value of dx is 35. Okay, first of all find out D by using code word 12, A and B. After that dx using code word 32, C and D. Now dy, how to find out dy? Dy is equal to, so dy code word 13, A and C. 3 to 360. 3 to 360. Okay. 3 to 360. Now 3 into 60 is equal to 3 into 60 minus 3 into 2 is equal to 16 3 is 48 minus 3 2 is 6. So 48 minus 6 is 42. So dy, the value of dy is 42. Now, so now find out x. X value find out x is equal to. So formula is dx upon d. Dx is there. Dx is 35 upon d. D is here 7. 35 upon 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 5s are. So answer is 5. X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. After that, I draw a line here. Look at it. Because board is very short. Okay. Y is equal to The formula is dy upon d. dy upon d. The value of dy is 42. 42 upon d. d is 7 is equal to 7 1 7 7 6. So answer is 6. Y is equal to 6. So write here solution of equation. Okay, x and y is equal to x की value कितनी है 5 and 6. Okay, look at the board now. By using Cramer method or using Peterman method, anyone. Okay, so first of all find out d. The forward of d is 12, means a and b. Okay, coefficient a and b. Okay. After that, find out dx. Dx means how many? Forward 32 means c and b. Okay, and dy means 13. 13 means a and c. Okay, so put on the value of this and find out x. X means dx into dx upon d, and y means dy upon d. Okay, look at the board now. Okay, now some activities question on the blackboard. Okay, which are the equation is given here? Y plus 2x minus 19 is equal to 0, and another equation is 2x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. So first of all, that equation write in general form. General form is ax plus by is equal to c. So ax means 2x plus y, minus 19 ने उड़े मार ली, plus 19. Okay, 2x plus y is equal to 9. After that, here x खाली x, 2x minus 3y, so minus 3y is equal to 3 ने उड़े मार ली, इकडे गेले minus 3. So here is minus 3. Now this one is the 1 and 2, and this one is 3. Okay, so now d means 12. d means 12. The code word is 12. Okay, 12 means 2. Here is 2 given, so write here 2. After that, 12, 1, 2. Okay, here is minus 3, so write here 1. Okay, 2, 2, 1, minus 3. Now here multiplication 2 into minus 3, so write here 2. 2 into minus 3. After that, give minus. Okay, minus is here. It's 2. 2 into 1. Okay. 2 into 1. Minus 3 into 2. 3 2s are minus 6. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2. Minus 6 minus 2. Answer is minus 8. Look at it. Use forward is 12. A and B. A 2 2. Write here 2 2. B 1 3. 1 and minus 3. So write here 1 and minus 3. After that, 2 into minus 3 and 2 into 1. You can write 1 into 2 also, but they are given here activity. So that time they are given here 2. So I write here first of all 2 and after that 1. Here write like that also. 1 into 2. Okay. So now next is there. dx means 32. So 32 means 3. 19 and minus 3. So write here minus 3. After that 2 means b. 1 and minus 3. So write here 1 and minus 3 is given. Okay. After that multiplication 19 into how many? 19 into minus 3. So write here minus 3. Now minus is the compulsory sign. Now you can minus 3 into 1 also write, or 1 into minus 3 also write. Okay, so I write here 1 into minus 3. Okay, now 19 threes are 57. Here is positive, here is negative, so minus 57. Minus 1 threes are 3 and right here minus. Okay, minus plus, so minus 57 plus 3, how many? Minus 54. How many? Minus 54. Okay, look at the board now. The value of dx is minus 54. After that dy, the code word is 13. Okay, 13 means A and C. Okay, here is given 2, so right here 2. 19 is given, so remaining is minus 3. After that 2 into minus 3, so right here 2 into minus 3. Now 19 into 2, so right here 19 into 2. 3 to the 6, so right here minus 6, because 3 is minus. Okay, 19 to the 38. Okay, minus 6 minus 38. Minus 6 minus 38. Answer is minus 40. Okay, look at it. dy, the value of dy is minus 44. Now, how to find out x? Dx minus d. Dx is here. This one is the dx. Okay, dx is minus 54. So right here minus 54. After that, upon d is 8. Now reduce form करायचं. बघा दोघे पण कुठल्या टेबल मध्ये येतात? 2 च्या टेबल मध्ये येतात दोघे पण. कोणत्या टेबल मध्ये येतात? 2 च्या. 2 च्या टेबल मध्ये आल्यावर काय होणार? 2 च्या टेबल मध्ये 2 4s are 8 and here 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. So 27 upon 4. 27 upon 4. After that, कुठे गेलो? y ची व्हॅल्यू y is here minus 44 divided by d minus 8. Okay, here is 4 2s are 8. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So answer is 27 upon 4 and 11 upon 2. Okay, x, the value of x is here and y is, look at the board now. Okay, first of all find out d, after that dx, dy and formula x is equal to dx upon d. इकडे दोन्ही पण मायनस होते. डिव्हिजन करताना मायनस असल्यावर काय करायचं? प्लस करून टाकायचं. इकडे पण मायनस होते, प्लस करून टाकायचं. साइन चेंज करून टाका. ओके, ठीक आहे. नाउ मीट यू अगेन नेक्स्ट वीडियो टू सॉल्व practice set number 1.3. Okay, bye bye.